Hello, I get this question often from home buyers. What is a home warranty? What does it cover? And should I get it when I buy my home? Well, the answer is a home warranty is actually an insurance policy that is designed to limit how much you're going to end up having to spend on things that could break around your home. Those things could include plumbing equipment, electrical, heating and air conditioning. If you happen to have a pool or a spa, pool and spa equipment, there's all kinds of things that could potentially break in a home, and that could cost anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars to repair those items. And the great part about a home warranty is when something breaks, you call the toll-free number and they will dispatch a tradesperson for that specific issue to come out and diagnose the problem and let you know what those next steps are going to look like for as little as only a $50, a $75 or $100 service fee to begin with. And then depending on what they diagnose as the problem and what the repair is that's needed, the warranty company will let you know how much you need to pay and how much they're going to cover, so that it really limits a ton of expense that you would face otherwise if you didn't have this. So I highly recommend any home that you're going to purchase, get a home warranty. There's different coverages where the cost is usually anywhere from $200 or $300 for certain policies, upwards of $700 to $1,200 for more robust policies that cover a lot more things. And the cool thing is you have options to pick from. And depending on what home you're going to buy and what features it has, you can customize that policy to what matters most to you. So it's a great thing to have to limit your exposure to risk and cost. So I recommend getting them. And for more information on what those options are, give us a call. We'll talk more about it. Thanks.